Hello friends, Running Kimono here. Okay, so we have a couple fresh deals, including cheap hand soap at Walgreens, a free photo also at Walgreens, some cheap razors, and some penny items over at the Dollar General that I'm going to talk about that I'm still finding around here. First store is Walgreens, and we have a free 8 by 10 print, photo print, using the code HEARTS, one per account. When you go to the store to retrieve your print, make sure you punch in your phone number. So possibly you might get a booster that'll print out for you. But it's very critical that you use your phone number when you go get your free print. And why not? How great is this? And this is in concert with Valentine's Day. So it's really nice that they're giving us a free print this go around. Another super deal is with the Softsoap. So they are $5.99 this week. You're going to have to track down 2 of them in the store, which might be a tall order. The promotions for these is that when you buy 2, you get back a $2 register reward, plus we have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. So earlier this week, I did do this deal in store, and my register reward did not print, so a manager had to credit me that $2 of Walgreens cash. So just to let you know, I was having an issue with this hand soap for whatever reason, but it might be fine and fixed later in the week, but just be mindful of that. Like, did a $2 register reward print, yes or no? You're also going to load this friend, which is the 5 off of 2, and we never get coupons this high for hand soap this valuable. Over on IBOTTA, this is new. We have $1.50 back with a limit of up to 1 time. See that really large chorus line? Make sure that you're scanning the barcode before you do the purchase, that your rebate is qualifying with the IBOTTA app. Grabbing 2 of these friends, it's going to be $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're paying $6.98. Getting back a $2 register reward, plus photographing your receipt for $1.50 back from IBOTTA. It makes it $3.48 for the 2, or $1.74, which is an unheard of price point. These are almost 4 refills for those hand soaps. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, and if you were doing the large booster deals this week where you have a bunch of Walgreens cash, this would be a very smart flip. Okay, the next store that we're at is the Dollar General, and I'm going to point something out. Yesterday I made a video about the clearance event, and I actually go through a lot of digital coupons to load right now that will still be activated on the 27th that weekend, so you can get a lot of free and cheap items. Just been doing this a really long time, and I have an idea of what's going to be on clearance, and I also went to many Dollar Generals on Monday to scope it out. Check the video out if you are a clearance event shopper. We're going to talk about penny items while I was out and about. Some of the penny items I found, including these good and tasty dog treats. Here is the UPC. Found it in the regular clearance aisle, and you guessed it, they're a penny. Some of them expired around Christmas time, but some of them also don't expire until next summer. So depending what you're finding, if the item is expired, the cashier can take it back if it's expired. But this is how it's going to ring up in the app: 0.00. At the register, it should be a penny. So it's going to always say item not sold at your store. They don't keep an inventory for penny items. So there you have it. Another one that you should be on the lookout for is the Jiffy Giant Foil, this roasting 16-inch pan, 0.00. I have been finding since the weekend quite a few of these. And it's a very weird item because other items look very similar, but this is the one that you're specifically looking for, with the American flag and the turkey. And I'm going to show you guys the UPC in a second. There are, I think, 4 other pans that look similar, but yet a little different. So the more that you pay attention, the easier this gets. And typically I was finding these either mixed in with the regular pans in that aisle with the pans, or like weird sections of the store. You know, even one toy aisle, there was like 25 of them stacked up. Here's the UPC. It ends in 2, so that's how I can tell very quickly, like, is this it or not? There's, like, again, 4 different UPCs for similar ones, but you really have to pay attention. And I know a lot of you are finding these this week because I keep seeing it. Another item to look for is the 2-pack of the pie pans with a lid. And if you are a home baker, This is something you probably want to be looking for. It has a delicious apple pie with a little scoop of ice cream. That's the easiest way that I can tell, and it's a 2-pack with some blue plastic tape on the side. And here's the UPC. The first couple days last week when everything was a penny, I found, I think, 15, and ever since it's kind of slowed down because I think stores didn't carry as many of these as they did of the roasting pans. The roasting pans, they had a lot of those. And you see this Valentine's Day aisle? This is exactly where I keep finding the Ghirardellis peppered in. You really have to look for the ones with the Christmas. This green one is probably the easiest, but that's where I'm finding them. And I found 4, I think, on Tuesday. Just to show you some quick visuals, this is probably the most obvious one. It's just that Kelly Green, I guess. It's the mint cookies, and there's only 7 pieces in them. I swear in the last couple years there was always like 10, if not more. The bags were a bit heavier, and they've really gone, so I'm happy to pay a penny for these because they've kind of gone cheap on the amount. And then this one, only 6 squares for the caramel one, and it's very subtle to the one that's actually out right now for Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day has hearts, and this one has a little bit of holly and Christmas magic, but there's the UPC. Definitely worth a walk down that aisle, especially if you're scouting your store. I would definitely look for these items. Why not? Because paying a penny for these chocolates with Valentine's Day right around the corner and Easter, yeah, I would be on the hunt for these. Store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. I want to give a very, very big shout out and special thank you to Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. She's a friend to me and the channel, and she pointed this deal out, and she is right on the money. And we don't really get a ton of deals for very cheap razors, so I really enjoy this deal. It is with these Bic Twin Select 10 counts. So you'll find this in the regular shaving aisle for men and women, the razors, probably on a bottom shelf. That's where they keep them, and it's a little 10-pack, and they are, I believe, $3.59 a unit. We have this, which is a 6 off a 2, which is currently attaching. Now, sometimes Meijer does get smart and pulls the coupon, so definitely open up your shop and scan. They're $3.59 each, so for 2 of them, you are paying $7.18. Subtracting that coupon, you'll pay $1.18, as it says in the shop and scan, so it makes it 59 cents a pack for an item. Like, you're saving $3 per pack, which is really fantastic. So I would go and make this deal happen. That P&G laundry care deal is still ongoing. I did do a matchup last week for it, and I used all my cards, so I'm done with that. But this is a solid deal that I would do this week and at least throw it on the hopper. That's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye.